Air is the first FDA-approved device of its kind for the treatment of tinnitus, and combines the delivery of unique sound patterns using a pair of Bluetooth headphones and mild electrical impulses through the tongue using their proprietary tongue tip stimulator. This form of non-invasive bimodal neuromodulation targets the auditory, attention, and emotional centers of the brain. Over time, the coordinated activation of these different pathways promotes positive neuroplasticity in the brain and has been proven in clinical trials to alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. You have your Bluetooth wireless headphones there from Linear. Of course, this receives an auditory stimulus from the controller, and that will also control the tongue tip stimulator. Let me see if I can show you that here on camera. This, of course, you put inside of your mouth. That rests on your tongue, and it will give you these mild impulses that feel a lot like soda water on the tip of your tongue.